Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Rolex Cosmograph Daytona, this one in 18 karat yellow gold with a champagne index dial. Model reference number for this watch is 116508, and the retail price of this watch as of 2022 is $37,550 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The Rolex Daytona is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a full size for most guys. Should be able to fit my wrist, no problem. Case material on this is 18 karat yellow gold. Just pop this on my wrist so you can see what it looks like. Very nice. Doesn't go over my wrist. If I actually lose a couple of links here, I could have it sized to my wrist just perfectly. Solid feeling watch. The sides and lugs of the case are polished to a mirror finish. You have a screw down case back here for extra waterproofness. The case is rated to 100 meters, 330 feet of water resistant, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It should hold up just fine. You should also make sure your chronograph pusher buttons are screwed down properly though. They can be screwed down here on the top and bottom right. Yes, so just for reference, I have just under a 7-inch wrist at 6.75 inches, and this watch fits me just perfectly. Going on to the bezel here, the Rolex Daytona has a high polished 18 karat yellow gold bezel. Tachometric scale is engraved into it, and then there's a black PVD that's put onto there as well. Wraps up this dial very nicely. I like the triangles as points of reference over the plin indices. Going into the dial, we're looking at this beautiful champagne index color dial with luminous hour markers and champagne subdials as well. You can see luminescent lines on the hour and minute hands as well. This watch does glow in the dark, so it should be easy for you to see the time in low light conditions. The movement that's on this beautiful watch is a caliber 40-130 movement. It has the hour, minute, and chronograph function. Power reserve is about 72 hours. That's 3 days. So you can set this watch down on Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It should still be keeping time. The movement of your wrist is actually going to be winding this watch as well. It's an automatic watch. Going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at an 18 karat yellow gold bracelet with a half polish. Half polish meaning that the center links are high polish to a mirror finish, and the outer satin, links are a satin finish. It does have this flip lock safety overlock clasp. Opens up the bracelet like so. You can see the single fold over clasp. Underneath the deployment buckle, you'll be able to see an Easy Link extension here that opens it up another 5mm, allows your wrist to breathe whenever your wrist gets hot or swollen. That comes in really handy, especially during the summer. As far as what I think about this watch, overall this watch feels really good on the wrist. It's not too chunky, slips under the cuff. You can hide it under the cuff from prying eyes or display it easily. A yellow gold bezel looks great and gives this watch a little bit more character. This would make a really good weekend watch. Doesn't have the date function and might not work as well as a Submariner or a Date Just on a daily basis, but I wouldn't mind seeing this watch on my wrist on the weekends. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 116508. This is the Rolex 18 karat yellow gold Cosmograph Daytona with a champagne index dial and matching yellow gold bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.